How to log in or sign up into the Discover Bank credit card. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you want to log in or sign up into the Discover Bank credit card, first and foremost visit any of your preferred browser and type in Discover Bank. Tap on the first link www.discoverbank.com. After that, tap on the login button which is on the top right. Tapping on it should take you to the login portal from where you have to provide your user ID and password as credentials. After that, you should log in and it will take you to the Discover Bank's homepage. From there, you can access your credit card details and continue with all of the access. Likewise, if you have forgotten your user ID or password, there is a link in order to identify and verify along with changing the details. So this is how you can log in as well as recover your Discover Bank's credit card login. That is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.